How's it going? We're doing a weight and balance on the Belanca here. We start off by getting our aircraft leveled, which is going to allow us to accurately get our datum. And we get the datum in conjunction with the wheel center and the main gear center. And once we do that, we can set up the scales, get the aircraft chalked up, and finish the rest of our weight and balance. And that's going to make sure that the basic empty weight of the aircraft has been calculated correctly. We also want to make sure that all items that are not a part of the aircraft are removed outside of the aircraft before we begin. And once we're done, we get our basic empty weight. That's going to allow the pilots to do their side of the weight and balance to make sure that they're getting accurate information.
We have our distances from the datum. We are going to use this to find and quote-unquote certify an aircraft with its center of gravity. After doing that, we would fill out that form, hand it off with the aircraft, and then any future pilots or operations owning that aircraft would use that form to do all their calculations from. They could add or take away parts of that airplane, and they're going to adjust that form that we give them based off the calculations we're about to do. So let's start with Belanca. So let's do MLG, that's common terminology, MLG1, MLG2, and then NLG. That's going to be main landing gear 1. Again, everything is viewed from either behind or above, so like a bird's eye view from the rear. So you're looking at left is going to be, it can't be called left. Left and right. Left is always going to be the left side of the aircraft from viewed from the back, or 1 and 2 is really common, odd numbers on left. So you're looking at MLG, main landing gear 1. So what would the weights of our main landing gear tires on the Belanca?
So the center was
500 pounds. That's kind of a heavy airplane. All right, 500 for the nose or center. Nose landing gear, NLG, mains, left and right.
There's one for 1063 and the other one's 1085.
All right, 1063, red as in left hand, or tire number 1, and then what was the other one?
1085.
1085, nice. 1085, and then, so we have our weights. What's our total weight of the aircraft?
2648.
Yeah, so 2,648 pounds. Yeah, it's just gonna be all these added up, right? So total aircraft weight, 2,648 pounds. Each of those scales added up. Now, we are going to see that amount of weight acting on a different part of the aircraft, your landing gear. Is gonna be shifting the aircraft up and down. Those forces are going to be fighting each other. So now we're going to take an average of those once we find the moments to be able to divide by our weights and find the center of gravity of the aircraft. So what were our arms here? What's our distances from the datum? That imaginary line here. Our nose was in front. Anybody get the measurements for the full
50 datum to main was 53.
53? All right, so because we took an average, if y'all saw them draw the tape, or draw some tape between the two, and then take a perfect right angle to the datum. 52, 53, main gear 1, 53 inches, main gear 2, 53 inches. All right, and then our nose, so this is going to be a positive value because we're behind the datum. Our nose is in front of the datum, so it's going to be a negative value. What value did we get there for that? Gotta make sure not to forget here. Negative, yeah, it's a negative value. That's gonna be in front of your datum. So that is going to throw your moment to a negative or a nose down pitch. So from here, what values are we getting for our moments?
Negative 15,325 for the
Negative 15,325? Nice. 57, 505, middle one, 57, 505,
56.
56.
No,
560. Yeah, 560.
It's not all speed.
339.
Yeah.
Nice. Sweet. Yeah, add all these up. You're looking at 56 plus 57 minus 15. What's our total there? No, sorry. I was just gonna do little saves.
It's
98,519. Nice. Moment divided by weight, boom. You're going to know exactly from the datum where your center of gravity is on the aircraft. It could be a negative number. Here, we should certainly keep on seeing. So 98,537.2. 37.2. 37 is actually really high. Now, if you take measuring tape, make sure you're at a 90-degree angle. 37.2 inches from the datum. 37.2. That will be where, once you're in flight, that will be where that aircraft perfectly balances. Right about that point over the wing, which is good. We want that. So that's when they are going to start giving you an envelope of like a range of like 34 to 39 inches. Anything within that range is safe. Anything outside of that, the plane becomes too unstable to fly.